So common technique that I did there, called like seek and destroy, or I've not really destroyed it, but using the headphone will isolate particular frequency spectrum, frequency range, and then when you pull up or down, it exaggerates it, so you can kind of hear some potential problem areas, or areas that you want to actually boost potentially as well. So sometimes the saturation can dull the top end, which can be desirable, especially for the kind of more lo-fi, like surgeon function regis kind of stuff.